So we have a landing page with interactive animations. Okay, we can watch a demo video. We can try the platform. And when I'm with my admin account, I will see my admin panel. When I will hit get started and I will log in, we have full authentication. We have admin authentication and even statistics and a way to control which user is premium or free or admin. What the platform actually do is that I can upload any video or audio file. It will convert it to optimized audio file. We'll send it through API to Whisper, transcribe it, and make for us descriptions and automatic subtitles for the social media platforms. So as you can see, it gets us a lot of stuff. When I'm going to history, I can see all the captions. I can download subtitles. I can download metadata, and it will actually show us everything we need. On top of that, when we upload a video, it also generates an automatic thumbnail. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please make like. It will help me a lot. And stay forward, because the platform I'm developing through Lovable, Colbo AI, is going to be launched around April or May. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.